Hey beautiful beings, my name is Maja. I'm a therapist, writer, spiritual teacher. This is daily reminder for you. What to say to yourself when anxiety is loud? I see you, anxiety. I hear you. You're allowed to be here. I feel you in my stomach, for example, and it feels like just discover which sensation is that. Anxiety is part of my biological wired stress response. It's okay to feel this. This is a very normal human experience. I have evidence this anxiety will eventually dissipate. I've moved through anxiety before and I will again. Hi, anxiety. You feel scared right now. I understand. I'm here with you. This is my body and my nervous system just keeping me safe. You're not alone. You have the skills to move through this. Let's get present and find what might work in this moment. See you tomorrow.